Hey everybody, it is Shield Maiden SA here again, and I know it's been a while, but hey, it is fall, and that means it's time for some mystery box unboxings from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. I know I normally do these all as one video, but this one came in first. The others won't be in for another day or so. So I decided, hey, why not? Might as well unbox the premium first, and then we'll do the others when they come in. So, for those of you that are new to my channel, always stay tuned for unboxing videos, makeup tutorials. I know I haven't done one in a while, but I need to get back to doing some more of that, as well as some fun crafting guides. And maybe we'll just do some other stuff too this year. I mean, hey, it's almost the end of 2021. We're all getting ready for 2022. So, hey, who knows what the new year is going to provide? So make sure that you don't forget to like and subscribe. That way, as I start bringing out that new content, you are one of the first people notified. So without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and get into this. For this, I thought the box was pretty cool, actually. Now with the premium box, this was the $65 box. So the tiny box, quote unquote. I was actually really happy with this one because, one, we already know the Weirdo palettes in there, right? So a $65 value, you're already getting a 9-pan palette. So that's always a plus. I do look at my boxes just to make sure nothing came in broken, because here's the thing. We've all seen how they toss packages around. So, like, if I got my box and something was broken, I mean, it happens. I don't want to have to find that out on camera for you guys and ruin your experience just because I had a bad experience. And I know the Jeffree Star customer service team is usually pretty good with those things. I've never experienced a problem with a mystery box. I've heard people have. I don't know. Like, my stuff's been packaged pretty good, and I've literally watched my postman chunk mine onto the porch. And there is zero care. Like, it could say fragile on the side. He doesn't care. Like, he's going for record-breaking tosses on that. So, yeah, things happen. So hopefully it's something that, if it ever does happen, well, I'll let you know how it works out. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this box and see what kind of goodies we got. So like I said, we have the Weirdo palette here. This is the one, we all knew this was coming. We watched the Jeffree Star video for it. I'm going to go ahead and open this one up. I know that I have 2 more of these palettes coming because I did order all 3 of the boxes. So because of the fact that I, of course, love the mystery boxes, because there's always a really good chance that I'm going to get something that I don't have. And if I do, guess what? I can use it as a giveaway, or I'll gift it. I have friends of mine, especially in the last 18 months that have been through some stuff, that are Jeffree Star fans, but it's just right now it's not in their, it's not something that they can go out and get. So like if I get some extras and I can donate them or gift them to them, that makes me feel good. So hey. So for those of you that haven't seen it, this is the box, the packaging. Definitely some like late 90s, early 2000 rocker vibes, which I'm totally down with. Let me go ahead and just pull her out of the box here. Maybe I can. Maybe I won't. Ooh, there we go. Oh. And I love, like, as soon as you open it up, you get that high metallic red shine. That is super awesome. And of course, this we know has the picture of Jeffree on the cover. Hi, shine. We love it. And like I said, this is a 9-pan palette. This is not a giant palette, but oh, the looks I can create from this. So we have Glamour Shot, which is this pure creamy white shade. We have Punk Couture, which is like a darker gray. Then a lighter matte gray in 1985. Over to the middle, you have Freak Show. Weirdo is this color right here in the center. Razor Blade is this nice silver shiny metallic. I'm just going to get that a little closer so you guys can kind of see, and you can see the stamping there. But I also want to be able to give you the shade names just in case there is anybody that didn't go see the Jeffree Star release video. Hey, if you haven't, go check it out. We also have Mohawk, which is this kind of pinky mauve here. We have this darker, almost burgundy shade of Only Child, and the bright red of Scene Queen. Now, like I said, most of these are matte shades. Trust me, I can work with that, especially fall and winter. Hey, here we come. Let my inner goth girl out, and we're good to go. Okay, she's not so much an inner goth girl. It just kind of depends upon what day of the week she gets. Because, dark and seedy and goth is my aesthetic, and so are rainbows and unicorns. So it really just kind of depends on the day. The next thing we have here is an exclusive shade, and you know it's an exclusive because you get this neat little symbol on the bottom, or a symbol of some sort. With the summer mystery boxes, it was the Yak Jeffree Star logo. This is the Weirdo logo, and this is a Supreme Gloss in this shade. I have several Supreme glosses. I do like the formula. I love the fact that they smell like creme brulee. Which, I mean, I don't know, honestly, to me, it smells almost more like vanilla buttercream, but people say it's creme brulee. I'm like, nah, vanilla buttercream, everyone. Now, this one, I like that it's stuck with the aesthetic of the Weirdo packaging, especially for Halloween with the red. With the black lid, the super metallic lettering there, which all of the Supreme glosses do have. I'll go ahead and just bring one of these over here. But, like, for example, this here is in your classic Jeffree Star pink with I guess it's a rose gold or pink shiny lettering there. Yes, it's all right there within reach. Let me just see here. Like, this is a red. We're just going to swatch it. Why not, right? Ah, yes. Ooh. Oh, I'm kind of digging this. I am really digging this, actually. Especially with Halloween. So, like, if you're not someone that wears red except for Halloween, like, if I was doing some vampire, like, yeah, that's some vampy red right there. That is the red you want if you are doing, like, a vampire or Little Red Riding Hood or anything else. That is the red you are looking for. This is that girl. Let's go ahead and tuck her over there for now. Then we did get a velour liquid lip, a velour lip liner in Deceased. I don't think I have a lip liner in this shade. I have to double check because a little while back I may have gone on a little bit of a lip pencil bender. I want to say they were buy one, get one, or buy two, get one. There was a promo, and I bought a lot. And then I got a lot in some mystery boxes. And I don't think this is one, though. I need to double check because I like that shade, Deceased. It is a little bit of a mauvey, purplish gray color, but I mean, I dig it. So I'm going to leave that wrapped up just until I can confirm if I do or don't have it. That way, if I'm gifting it, package still intact. The next goodie we have here is a Velvet Trap lipstick. And this is in shade Gravedigger. I need to confirm. I think I already have her. Let me consult the shelf of goodies here. I believe I already have her, though. Let me check here. Unicorn Blood. No, I know I have her. Medieval Kiss. No. As you can tell, these have no rhyme or reason. I don't even know how I organized them. I think I just took them out of the box and just kind of started putting them in. So let's see here. Unless I was getting Deceased confused with Funeral Parlor. Let me look. Oh, so far, this is a good omen right here. Oh, such a good omen so far. We are halfway through, and it's not a dupe yet. Let's see here. Okay. Yeah. Oh, was I maybe wrong? Oh, I may have been wrong. I will be so excited if I was wrong. Oh, I wasn't wrong. Here she is. But on the bright side, guess what? I already have her out now. So let's go ahead and, take a look at her. For those of you that are not familiar with the shade. Man, I'm so excited. For a second, I was like, wait a minute. Does this mean that I didn't get any dupes in my box? That would be amazing. This is here. It's kind of a mauvey gray tone. Which, I mean, it's a mystery box for Halloween, so I would not expect anything less from Jeffree Star than to go with the more outspoken colors or less everyday colors. I'm going to go ahead and swatch it for you guys. So you can actually, it's kind of a nice nude. Actually looking at it on, it's almost like a gray gold shimmer. So yeah, I mean, I could rock that. I don't know why I haven't yet. Oh yeah, because we're all still wearing masks, and that means I don't wear lipstick very often. I just put on the Velour Liquid Lip because it doesn't rub off. Although I did today. This is from the Weirdo collection. This is Blood of My Enemies because, I don't know, today just kind of felt like a Blood of My Enemies kind of day. So that was what I went with, and I only had to reapply after eating a whole lot. So like I'd eaten breakfast, I'd eaten lunch, I'd had a couple things to drink, and then I was like, oh, I need to go do my video. I was like, oh, let me just touch it up. But for the most part, it was all still here. So that bodes very well for the Velvet Trap lipstick in general. Then of course another thing that I don't think we knew about it until we started seeing unboxing videos. I don't know if anybody else did. I don't care if I'm surprised. Like, I know that sounds horrible, but I like to kind of plan like, hey, am I going to have items to give as gifts? Am I going to have, what am I going to be planning next? So I do. I watch spoiler videos. I watch prediction videos. I will, as soon as a mystery box is launched, I will stalk the Jeffree Star Instagram stories and Facebook stories and everything else except for Snapchat. I just don't use Snapchat. To see if I can find goodies or like Easter eggs. Because it's almost like the mystery of like, oh, can I guess what's going to be in there? Let's see. It's kind of exciting. So this is a velour lip scrub in holiday scent Witch's Brew. Let me see here. I'm hearing that it smells like a combination of licorice and mint. I'm not mad with either of those. I love licorice. Oh, it is black licorice. And oh, I love this. This is like, and I'm sure I'm one of the few people out there, but I love licorice. I really enjoy it. This is like the smell when you get the really good black licorice and you open the bag. And it's that like that first like hit of that scent that just hits you in the face. Oh, it's so wonderful. Hold on. Let me get my fix on this again. I love that. I'm so glad I got extras of these. I love this because I know I can't buy it at the on the website. So happy I got this. And the final item that I got, and I was really excited about this one. So when I got the Blue Blood collection, at the time it was kind of like my first Jeffree Star thing. So I really just ordered the palette and I think maybe one or two other items because I didn't realize how in demand it was going to be. And that was all that was left at the time when I got on the page. So I didn't get a chance to get any. And so I was like, oh, I'll go back and order them. But Blue Blood was so popular that by the time I got around to going back and order the other stuff, they were no longer really, like, I had to try and figure out what was what. And then I just got frustrated and didn't do it. So I got a Supreme Frost in Hypothermia. And it's kind of this fun, like, blue, mauve, pink. We're just going to swatch her over here where we've been swatching everything today. Oh, I am loving this. So it's almost like a blue-pink color shift. So let me see if you guys can see this here. Oh, there we go. Yeah, you can see it a little bit. So yeah, so for me, other than the one that I know is for sure a duplicate, like I may have only gotten one duplicate in the box. So for me, $65 on this, definitely worth it for me. We're looking 18. How much are the 9 pans? I think they're 18. Let me double check. I could be, no, they're more than that. They're 28. Let me look it up because, you know, obviously I don't remember. And I wish I could say that I don't buy enough makeup to know what I do. I definitely buy enough makeup to know. 28. Okay, so 28 for that. The Velour Liquid Lip pencil is, I believe, 18. No, those are 12. Sorry, those are 12. So we're looking at 40. Then we are dealing with the Velvet Trap, which is 18. So we're at 58. The Supreme Gloss, that's 20. So we're at 68. We have the Lip Scrub, and I have to look this up because I don't remember. Let's start with the liner. We'll start with the liner. That's 16. So 68, 78, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 78, 79, 80, 81, 2, 3, 45, 86. And let's see here, the lip scrubs. Lip scrub, there you are. Lip scrubs are $12. So yeah, I mean, I paid $65. I got right around $90 to $100 worth of stuff. One dupe. I can't complain about that. So, yeah, I mean, for me, this was a great box. So keep an eye out for the next couple days for the premium and the Supreme boxes to come in. Those will come in together, and I may go ahead and do those unboxings together. Or maybe I'll do it as, 2 in 1. Post below and tell me which way you want me to do it. If you want to see them one at a time, you want to see them together, hey, just let me know, and maybe that'll help me decide how I'm going to do that when they arrive. So I really hope you guys have enjoyed this video and enjoyed me and my wackiness, just, figuring it all out. That's kind of one of my things is I'm not really big on, you get what you get, errors and all. So, hey, if this is what you enjoy, don't forget to go ahead and subscribe and like and ring that bell. Share it with other friends that like mystery boxes and makeup. Hey, let's all have a great party here. And, hey, follow my page, subscribe, and you'll have the links down below for some of my other social media as well. That way you can check out some of the other things I do that I don't post on YouTube. So everybody, until next time, fly your geek flags high. This is Shield Maiden signing out.